First, download APK file via laptop or computer and save the APK file on your FAT32 formatted USB drive. Then insert your USB drive to your smart TV. Go to Files and Folder. Click the downloadable APK file. Click Install. Click Install again to confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the APK file on your smart TV. Now enjoy unlimited third-party apps in your Samsung Smart TV that you required. Viewers, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them. Well, this is the video for today. Kindly like it and subscribe our channel, and goodbye friends.